If you're focused on multiple side hustles to make extra money, you're actually making less money. Let me explain. Once you focus on multiple things at once, your productivity actually declines enormously. So instead of focusing on this side hustle and this side hustle and this side hustle and this side hustle and only making a small amount of money from each side hustle, why don't you start focusing on one thing, mastering the strategies, the systems, and the skills that it takes to make that thing grow enormously so you don't have to have your hand in multiple pockets and you could just focus on one thing. That's what's actually going to get you to the next level. So if you're doing multiple side hustles and you're making money, but not as much money as you want, or you're juggling multiple side hustles and it's becoming stressful, and you actually want to do something that's going to exponentially grow your income and just have it be that one thing, e-commerce is the way to go. So if you're interested in starting your e-commerce business, go ahead and comment the word hustle below and I'll send you a DM and let's chat.